Hey lovelies, welcome back to a new tutorial video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I am Miss Indecisive. However, for today, I'm very much sure as to what I'll be doing, and I'll be working with this beauty from YGWigs. It's the feather crochet hair extension, and the curl pattern is deep weave. And this is the same type of hair we call the micro loop crochet hair, or the thread version of the crochet hair, and this is 100% human hair. This is 18 inches long, and in one pack you have 2 bundles. So this is one bundle, and I'm just going to separate it now by taking off that little thing there that has it together. My first honest reaction was just how soft this hair is. Like, it is so soft. And what I love the most about these modern day human hair crochet is that you can always reuse them. So when you're taking them down, as I'm often asked how you take them down, you just unravel the cornrows and pull them out with it, and it's that easy. And when I say unravel, I mean to take down your cornrows. So this is how it's looking after I remove that gold thing, and it's pretty easy to separate, although it can be a little time consuming. So what I like to do is to prep the hair ahead of time. So if I'm going to be doing my hair on Wednesday, I prep it from the Tuesday. So this is what it's looking like when I lay my hair out, so I can just go in and take what I want whenever I'm installing. After I do the braid pattern, I like to go in with this oil to moisturize my scalp. After moisturizing my scalp, I like to put some in the palm of my hands and just rub it on the braid itself, so the hair can have a little moisture while I wear this protective style. A lot of times we tend to forget our hair underneath these styles, and like I always say, if you're not protecting your hair, it's not really a protective style after all. So this is the braid pattern I'm working with. I have a little part there just in case I want to do a side part, and then I have the center part outlined as well. And now let the fun part begins. I'm going to start the crochet process, and by now I think you should know how to crochet, but just in case you don't, I have several videos on here showing up close, how to do it. But we're going to go in with the needle, pull the hair through with the thread, and then we're going to loop it. Some people tie theirs or do a double loop. I don't. I just do a single one because I want, when I'm taking it down, it can just slide off the hair easily. And that's basically it. We're just going to repeat this process until the entire head is covered. So I'm working with 3 full packs, and again, we have 2 bundles in one pack, so that's 6 bundles but 3 packs. So once again, it's 3 full packs, and in each pack we have 2 bundles, which makes it 6 bundles overall. And just a little tip, if your cornrows are small, then you can just install regularly by pushing the needle through. However, if it's big, you may want to just insert the needle through part of the braid itself, or the cornrow itself, I should say, and not underneath it, because the thread may not be big enough to go over the entire width of the cornrows if there are some big cornrows, which will prevent the loop from being closed properly. So be very mindful as to how big the cornrows are, and if it's a big one, or if the big ones you're going to be doing, then insert the needle in part of the braid and not just push it under the cornrow itself to carry it around. Not only will it give you a more secure install, however, it also gives you a neater install as well, so you don't have a lot of bulking or hair slipping off. And we're almost there. I am through with the installation process. I used the 3 packs except for about 2 strands were left there on the bed, but I used majority of the hair. And now I am showing you guys what the back looks like. This is it. It's very full, very fluffy, and I'm gonna go in with my brush and my spray bottle with water, some mousse, and that's basically it. I detangle first and then I apply the mousse on afterwards, and be sure to saturate the hair properly. Then after I apply the mousse, I go back in with the brush to just kind of form those curls. Loving this hair, and I didn't apply any extra products really because I didn't want anything to weigh the hair down. I wanted to just keep it full, fluffy, and just bouncy. Let me know what you think. Would you wear this hair? I am gonna have it linked in the description box below, so just in case you need the link for it, you can check it out there. Or if you know someone who would love this hair, you can always share this video with them. After doing an installation, I always love to play around with the hair so I can just get a feel of it, get used to it, and then see what it's like, see what can be done with it, and just to get an overall vibe. But anywho guys, thank you so much for watching. You can enjoy these few clips I've inserted of the hair, and you know me, I love a good hair. And I love me some curly hair. I don't know what it is about curly hair, but I am definitely a curly hair girl. And don't forget to like this video if you haven't liked it as yet. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And share this video with someone that would really appreciate it. Bye!